If you're new to gold IRAs and want to understand everything you need to know to protect and grow your wealth, you're in the right place. A gold IRA is not just a great way to diversify, but it's an incredible strategy for American retirees to safeguard their wealth against market volatility and inflation. Stick around because I'm going to show you why thousands of Americans are choosing this path to protect their financial future. And by the end, you'll know exactly what steps you can take to get started. Before we dive deeper, if you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, click the first link in the description to access a free gold IRA guide that'll walk you through the process. This free guide has already helped thousands of Americans, and if you have $100,000 or more in your IRA or 401k, or even $5 million in savings, this could be one of the best moves you make. Now, let's talk gold IRAs. If you're like most retirees, you're likely looking for ways to protect your wealth from the ups and downs of the stock market. And here's why gold IRAs are such a smart choice. They offer a way to move your retirement savings into physical gold, which can act as a hedge against inflation and market downturns. Unlike stocks or bonds, gold has a long history of holding its value even during times of economic uncertainty. But let's be clear, a gold IRA isn't just a basic investment. It's a retirement strategy that offers peace of mind, especially as you move toward or into retirement. You've probably heard about traditional IRAs and 401ks, but here's the difference. Those accounts are often tied up in the stock market, which can be risky. A gold IRA allows you to protect your wealth by holding physical gold, which is a tangible asset that tends to perform well over time. Now, you might be wondering, how do I set one up? It's easier than you think. The first step is to open a self-directed IRA with a custodian who specializes in gold IRAs. This gives you the control to choose exactly what assets you want to invest in. Once that's set up, you can work with an approved dealer to purchase the gold you want to store in your IRA. It's that simple. But, of course, not every gold IRA company is created equal. Some may charge high fees or push you into overpriced gold. That's why it's so important to choose the right company, one that puts your interests first and helps you navigate the process smoothly. Here's a key point to consider. Many retirees are making the switch to gold IRAs, not just because gold is valuable, but because they want to protect their retirement savings from market crashes. With the recent economic volatility and inflation, having gold in your portfolio can help preserve your purchasing power and ensure your wealth doesn't shrink during tough times. If you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, make sure to check out the first link in the description for that free guide to gold IRAs. It's packed with everything you need to know to make an informed decision and get started. So, if you have more than $100,000 in your IRA or 401k, or even if you have $5 million or more in savings, gold IRAs could be an excellent strategy to protect and grow your wealth. With a gold IRA, you're taking control of your financial future and giving yourself the peace of mind that comes with holding a tangible asset that stood the test of time. To sum it up, gold IRAs are perfect for American retirees who want to shield their wealth from the instability of the stock market. If you want to learn more about why thousands of Americans are using gold IRAs to protect their savings, click the link in the description to get your free guide today. Remember, this is the type of strategy that can make a real difference in your financial future, especially if you're looking to protect what you've worked so hard to build. Take that first step today and start your gold IRA journey